Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Jerry from the new Roblox Jerry game. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is very easy to draw. So we're going to start out drawing the overall head shape first. So we'll draw one line across. This is going to be the top of the head. And then from the side here, we'll just come down straight. So almost as we're drawing a rectangle. So then right after this line, we're going to round the bottom out. So we'll just curve this in. And then just kind of close it off a little bit flatter on the bottom. And then from here we're gonna draw in the mouth. So just come to the middle of this little shape here, and then I'm gonna draw kind of like a happy face just all the way across. And then now the corners just come down. So just kind of follow the curve on the outside. So it's almost like a happy face. And then right on the corner here, just draw one line at a slant. Alright, so we're drawing his teeth later. Let's go ahead and finish up the eyes. So right in the middle of this space right here, just draw 2 slants like this first. And then on the bottom, Just round it out. So now it looks nice and evil, and let me shade this in real quick. Okay, so those are his eyes, and then now for the teeth, very easy to draw. So come to the center of this, you make a little point. Just slant down on both sides. And then we just kind of zigzag. So this one's gonna go back up, down, and then let's go up one more. Okay, so same thing here. Just go up, come back down, just zigzag. All right, and then lastly, I think it's got a little scar right here, right? So right on the top, one line down, and then just kind of draw 2 lines across. All right, and then the little hat that he has, so this one's very easy. Just slant up, and then just kind of close it off with a little peak. All right, so that's the head, nice and easy. So now let's come down to the body. So start around right here. This is gonna be his shoulder. We'll just come out. Just pinch it in. And then just kind of flare out on the bottom slightly, and then close it off. So this is gonna be the bottom of the apron. All right, and then from here, let's draw in the little bow tie. So just one circle right underneath. And then just draw 2 slants going out, and then just close it off. Okay, and then now for the apron, so just come down right here, right underneath the bow tie, just one line across, and then for the strings right here, the strap, just go up, just kind of go around the bow tie, and then now to finish the apron, remember that little curve right here, the little indentation, just take this corner and just go connect to that. Okay, and then now let's draw in the arm, and let's draw in this one first, because this one's gonna be drawing the little ice cream scooper. So we'll start right here. Here's the armpit. Here's the shoulder. Just curve down from the armpit. Just follow the same slant, and then we'll close it off because it's got his shirt rolled up. And then just extend the line and draw a bigger rectangle. Alright, and then for the lower arm, just come back in, just down and down. So this is gonna be his wrist. And then for his hands, very easy, just come down, just one little hook, one little line right here, and then here's the back of the hand, just come down. And then whatever space you have here, just curl down, round it out, and then just connect this. And let's add one little bump here for the other fingers. Right, so let's draw the other side, and again, here's the armpit. You come across here, make a little mark. Go back up to the shoulders. Just round it down. From the armpit, same slant as this. So this part's gonna be pretty much the same as the other side. And then now for the lower arm, we'll just extend this line. And now we're drawing his little hand right here holding the ice cream scooper. So I'm gonna start up here. This is gonna be his thumb. Just one little hook. And then from here, just curl down this way. Just kind of go all the way around. Just kind of loop it around. And then just add one little line here to divide up his fingers. Okay, and then whatever space you have here, just round it out. Okay, so it's very simple to draw. And then now for the ice cream scooper, so we're gonna be slanting this way. So just above the thumb right here, just 2 lines. We'll close that off first. And let's go ahead and draw in the bottom, so we'll just continue this. Alright, so right here, just one little square, just a little bit bigger. And then one little triangle here, we're just gonna extend it a little bit more. Okay, and then from here, for the very tip, this is gonna be one big circle, but we'll just leave a little bit of a space here. So we're just gonna round everything out. Just draw a little ball, but just don't close it off. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna add in some zigzags. And then to make it a little bit more three-dimensional, so I'm gonna start on this point here and this point. I'm just gonna curl around and just connect that. Alright, so that's the ice cream scooper, and then now to finish up the legs, and which is gonna be really easy. So we're gonna start on the inside here. Just add 2 little marks. Just come down a little bit first. And then from here, just go out here. Let's draw a line and then just close it off. Alright, so it's pretty much just 2 boxes, and then now to draw in the shoes. So we'll continue this down. And then on this side here, we'll extend it out. And then come down about halfway of this. And then from here, I'm just gonna draw one curve, just touching that and going down. And then we'll close this off. That's gonna be the bottom of the boot. Okay, so we'll come down about halfway. And then just one curve coming down, same as the other side. And then we'll just close this off. And that is it for this Jerry. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.